A-Trap. Love and life, family. Appreciate you for all you do. Man, you're a blessing. Your achievements, your success, incredible, right? I feel like Hollywood's knocking. So with that being said, when them execs come at you and they want to shoot that Wallstreet Trap movie, who do you have in mind to play the role of Trap? Yeah, I'll do it. I don't have a problem with it. But if you had somebody else in mind, what are you thinking about?
My dog said, I do it. I don't got a problem with it, dog. Like, we good. Man, I don't know, man. I probably try to do it myself, knowing me, yeah. I try to do it myself, dog. Horrible. I'll go to acting school for a year. While they writing it out, I go to school for a year, dog. I try to play my damn self. We didn't tell 50 no when he played 50 and Get Rich or Die Trying. We loved it. It was a cold collect. Huh? Who's Young Trap? I don't know. We got to find somebody. I got to find somebody. I got to find some. Eminem played himself in 8 Mile. I want to play my damn self. Ain't nobody gonna play this like me. You know what I'm saying?
I'm still mind blown. The way you broke it down is crazy.
Nah, man, I'm gonna play myself. I'm gonna play the beat, but I think if I had to think about like Young Trap, I don't even know the young actor's name. But if I had to like let somebody play me and it wasn't me, it'll probably be like Woody. If I had to just go with anybody, Woody, who played Bobby Brown in New Edition.
That's Kane off of...
Kane, yeah. I'd probably be like him, you know what I mean? I like him. He get down. Like, he do his thing. Like, I rock his son. I think I'll go with Woody. That'll probably be who I go. Like, Woody go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Or, real talk, if not Woody, y'all might laugh at this, but the dude be wearing the nail polish, bro. And I know y'all be mad at me, but he be wearing nail polish in real life. But he a singer. He be singing. He play on The Shy.
Oh, Jacob.
No, black dude, bro. The brother. No, that's the light-skinned dude. Wolf.
Yeah.
That dude can act his butt off, yo.
Yeah.
That dude, Wolf James.
Yep.
Bro, that dude can act.
Yeah.
That dude can act, family. I would let Luke James do it. Wolf James, I would let him do it, dog. Bro, that dude got skills, dog. He can really act, bro. Like, I'm gonna tell you what made me know he can really act too, though. The way he played on The Shy was one thing. But the Scary Movie thing he did, you saw the Scary Movie he played in?
Oh, yes.
Man, y'all know he wear the nail polish, man. But I ain't got nothing against him. Like, that's the thing for, I ain't tripping on that. Them, bruh.
Nah, he went crazy.
Bruh. I watched him. I was like, I was like watching it with my pistol.
Yeah, he went crazy.
I was like, nah, dog. This nigga, wow. He cold-blooded, dog. Like, he that, like, range. So it'll probably be like one of them, dog. But you know who I would let play in that too? My dude, Malcolm Mays. So he plays, in Kanan, he plays his Rock's brother. He played a brother, the one who's drunk right now.
Yeah.
That's my dog from LA. So I'll let him play in it too, because he just know how to play. But there had to be somebody like that, you know what I'm saying? There had to be somebody that I know got flavor, somebody that I know can get busy.
Hey, Trap, this is Jacqueline. I have a question about an option that I am currently in. Right now, I have 2 contracts on an Nvidia 136 call. They expire in January of 2025. Even though I'm down about 50% on it right now, I am still bullish on Nvidia. That we have earnings coming up on the 28th, and they are probably expected to do well. Right now, the RSI is at 47, and it's trending up, so that's a good sign. Also, the VIX has been going down the past several days, another good bullish sign. So I am wondering, to make my trade more profitable, do you recommend that I average down at the same strike price? Or should I try to roll down to a lower strike price? And if so, which one would you recommend? Or do you think I should just leave it as it is and let my two contracts ride out? Thank you so much for your answer and take care.
I go that warm hug. That was chicken noodle soup on a sick day, boy. You hear me? I felt it. So there's a difference between average down and rolling down. So she asked two great questions. She said, do I average down, meaning do I take that play and roll it down and stretch out the expiration date? Or do I take that play, roll it down, and bring back my strike price? That's what she's asking. So both of those costs, right? What I would do is, I'm not mad at the call because we have a 140 in. So I'm not mad at you on the 136 call, which actually is good. You got to January. I think you keep them where they are and let the stock do what it's supposed to do. I think you've gotten some good returns on the stock recently. What I would have loved for you to do was, when it was in that 105, even if you didn't get into the 90s, when it was in that 105 or 110 range, I would have loved for you to get in another Nvidia play if you wanted to just see some profit, get in another maybe a 125 play or something. That would have served you well instead of rolling that one down. But again, I know emotions be, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want you to roll that play down. I want you to keep that play where it is. And what I want you to do is be patient. I think this week gonna help you out a little bit, right? But here's what I do want you to do. If that play, let me see something. All right, so it's 126. All right, so if Nvidia goes to 120 or less, I want you to take and add another leg to that and then I want you to get back in the options masterclass, and I want you to go with a 10% play on that play. I want you to go from the current strike price, go back in the options masterclass, put that formula back in, and I want you to do a 10% play. That's what I want you to do. If it goes back to that, if it goes to 120, if it doesn't go to 120, you good. Don't move. Don't move. But if it goes to 120, I want you to go back in that play, and I want you to do a 10% on that play. Not on that play, I want you to add another leg with that 10%, but leave the 136 is where they at, because you got September earnings, and then you got that. I think you'll be all right. I see a big old, I've been watching it. Nobody has declined, or nobody has talked about them not spending money. Everybody has said they ramped up more spending, so I think they'll do good. I think the biggest thing with the Nvidia call going to be on what is the Blackwell chip doing and what is the guidance moving forward. I think Jensen going to be real bullish about that guidance, but that Blackwell going to play a big role in what they're doing. But I like what you got going on, Queen. I know sometimes it'd be a little pressure, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not mad at the 136 call. I'm not mad at you for making that play. But like I said, if you go back to that 120 area, that 120 range, I want you to go back in the options masterclass and dial up a 10% play on that. Use the formula, get you a 10% play out there, and that'll make you feel a little better. Good, man, good. God, that was really good.